Hello everyone, today in this video we will make this blue angry bird. These are the materials that we need. You can pause this video and check the materials. If you are a beginner, you can check my playlist on the link of this video. Anyway, let's get started. For round 1, we will do a magic ring, chain 1 and 6 single crochet inside the ring. Once you have this 6 single crochet inside the ring, for round 2, pull this tail of the yarn and we will do a 2 single crochet on the same chain, on the first chain. One single crochet and another 1 single crochet on the same chain for 2 single crochet, and repeat this 2 single crochet each chain for a total of 12 stitches around. For round 3, we will do a single crochet on the first chain and increase on the second chain, a 2 single crochet on the second chain for 18 stitches around, and always mark your first chain. For round 4, we will do a single crochet in the next 2 stitches. We'll do a single crochet in the first chain and mark your first chain, and single crochet in the second chain and increase in the third chain for a total of 24 stitches around. For round 5, we will do a single crochet in the first chain, in the second chain, and in the third chain, and we will do a 2 single crochet in the fourth chain for 30 stitches around. For round 6, we'll do a single crochet in the next first, second, third, and fourth chain, and we will do an increase on the fifth chain for 36 stitches around. For round 7 and 8, you just need to repeat 36 single crochet, a single crochet each of the chain for 36 stitches. This is how it look after the 2 rounds. For round 9, we will do a single crochet in the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth chain, and we will do a 2 single crochet on the sixth chain for a total of 42 stitches around. For round 10 and 11, we'll do a single crochet each chain for 42 stitches. For round 12, we will do a single crochet in the next 6 stitches, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and 6 stitches, and 2 single crochet on the 7th chain for 48 stitches around. For round 13 and 14, you just need to repeat 48 stitches. For round 15, we will do a single crochet on the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth chain, and then decrease on the next, on the 7th chain for a total of 42 stitches around. For round 16, we will do a single crochet in the next 5 stitches and decrease in the next for 36 stitches, and repeat this round. For round 17, single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and we will decrease in the next for 30 stitches around. Round 18, single crochet in the next 3 chains or stitches and decrease in the next for 24 stitches. For round 19, we do a single crochet in the next 2 stitches and decrease in the next for 18 stitches. For round 20, single crochet on the first chain and decrease in the second chain for 12 stitches around. Once we're done with the round 20, pull this yarn and we will make the eyes of the angry bird. For the eyes, we will do a magic ring, chain 1, and then 6 single crochet inside the ring, and after that we do a 2 single crochet each of the chain for 12, and then on the fourth round we'll single crochet and then increase on the next for a total of 18 stitches around. And once you did that, you will cut and hide the tails inside the stitches. And once you have 18 stitches around, we will cut the yarn and hide the tails, and we will insert our safety eyes or your dark yarn in the second chain in between first and second round of the circle. Once you're done doing the 2 eyes, we will place the circle in the between 8 and 9 round. And we will lock the safety eyes or your dark yarn. Sew your dark yarn and then fill with fiber fill or stuffing. And once you fill with stuffing, we will continue our round. We will do a decrease on each of the chains. Decrease. Mark your first decrease and repeat this round for a total of 6 stitches around. And once you have 6 stitches around, cut and secure the yarn and sew the extra tail. For the mustache of the bluebird, we'll do a chain of 15 and then single crochet second chain from the hook, and then you do a half double crochet and then half double crochet 8, and then half double crochet and single crochet for a total of 14 chains, and then hide the tail inside the stitches. For the mustache, I use a super glue to glue on the below the eyes. For the mouth or a beak of the bird, we do a magic ring, chain 1, and then 4 single crochet inside the ring, and then 8 single crochet, just double the stitches, and then after that we do a single crochet and increase in the next for 12 single crochet, and then single crochet first and second chain, and then increase on the next for a total of 16 single crochet. And then on the second beak, you just need to add one more round of 16 single crochet, and then we will just connect the beak and sew the same side, and then we will just attach the beak on the blue round. You just need to sew and attach it well on the rounds of the blue yarn. For the blue head tail, just do a repeat of 6 single crochet, magic ring, and 6 single crochets. Once you attach it very well on the head, we will do a black tail on this side of the bluebird. Just do a chain of 6 and then chain of 4. You can pause the video while looking at the pattern, written pattern on the video, and after that you attach the black tail on the side of the bluebird. And once you have done all these instruction, and voila, we have our bluebird. And click here for Halloween crochets, and thank you for watching. Bye.